pioneers, change makers. Yet, no matter how far we travelled, we always carried one name with pride, JPLHS. Tonight, we honour a golden milestone, 67 years of memories, 67 years of friendship, 67 years of legacy, from our hometown to different cities across the Philippines to countries around the world. The Laurelian heart beats as one. Tonight is more than a reunion. It is a homecoming, a celebration, a testament that time cannot break the bonds we built here. We were once students. Now we are the legacy. We were once dreamers. Now we are the inspiration. We were once classmates. Now we are family. Laurelians of yesterday. Laurelians of today. Laurelians of tomorrow. Welcome home. And together we rekindle the past. We celebrate the present. And we inspire the future.
Come on! Para sa atin ito. Para sa atin ito, ladies and gentlemen. A few lines for all of you. Pag wala ako'y natutong umawi. Palapakan natin ang ating mga batches, 63 and 76, ladies and gentlemen. Daigdig, tila iyo palang pag-ibig. Kung alam na dami pag-ibig. Kung umako ang kalot, ibigay sa niyang nag-iinig. Wow! Yeah! Pag wala ako'y natutong umawi. Bawat sandali aking pilit mabati. Ang ibig na may tutuloy namin. Mapupulit pagkatupod namin. Di marami di magsasabi. Ito na, reunion nyo. Kay ganda ng ating musika. Kay ganda ng ating... Ito po ang mga batch 1963, from 1959. Yeah, they're the first graduate of Jose P. Laurel dyan po sa Tayuman. Can you go up on stage just to be recognized, ma'ams and sirs? Can you just go up on stage? Yeah, proper recognition lang. Palapakan naman natin. Huwag tayo magpipit sa palakpak. Dahil hindi kami nagpipit sa ating celebration ngayon. Huwag tayo magalala. Basta kapag pagkain na inyong na organizers kayo. Ayan po. Ang ganda tignan. The first graduates of your alma mater. 1963. Wow. Palapakan natin po sila. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat. And just stay put while we welcome our batch 1976. Coinciding the golden anniversary. Golden homecoming na ito, di ba? Palapakan natin. O may banda pa kayo. Yan, ganyan. Dapat maingay tayo. Di ba? Yes, I'm waving at you. Go right ahead. Go forward and be recognized. Our batch 1976. Thank you very much. Oh, 1960. Huh? Yes. Go ahead. Come up on stage. Be up on stage and be recognized. Go ahead and lead them. Go up on stage. I want you to be recognized. Kasya tayo sa stage. Napakalahati yan. Some of you come up on stage. Magandang photo op yan. With some of you on stage. Ang dami-dami. Kaya nasabi ko, ang core values natin yan. Kaya meron tayo talino, may puso, at meron paninindigan. Ang mga taga-Jose P. Laurel High School. I just live next door. I'm up here from Santa Cruz, Manila. Pero kapitbahay tayo. Sa P. Gomez Elementary School kasi ako. international brand reunion for today. Yes! Alright, can I call on Annie Leonardo? Annie Leonardo? And John Joe, welcome. Thank you very much. Okay, let's throw up the music a little. Where's my Annie Leonardo? Si President yata yun. The job they did is no joke, huh? Having more than 400 alumni, wow. Sana maintindihan ninyo, ha? But bottom line, we're gonna have fun tonight. The IC President, Josefino Garcia, and our Chairman, Madam Connie Manalo.
Kaya sabi ko sa kanila, ano lang tayo? Dito formal, ano lang tayo? Bako tayo ng konti, bako lang. Yan.
Good evening, guests, distinguished alumni, and dear friends, especially my batch 71 classmates.
Yes!
It is with great pride and heartfelt joy that I welcome you this evening to our 67th Grand Alumni Reunion. Tonight, we gather not merely to mark the passage of time, but to honor the journey that began for each of us here. Although life has taken us to different paths, the bonds we formed through our beloved alma mater, Jose P. Laurel High School, Manila, still stand unfazed by the test of time. May the evening serve as a reminder that no matter where we go, Jose P. Laurel High School will always remain our home. Tonight, we proudly recognize the class of 1976 of Golden Jubilarians as they celebrate 50 years since graduation. Congratulations on the remarkable milestone. 1976. On behalf of the Alumni Association, thank you for returning, for remembering, and for remaining a part of this enduring family. May the evening be filled with laughter, reflection, and a renewed sense of belonging. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the evening.
Thank you, Salam Connie. Maraming salamat sa iyo. I announced earlier, Yolanda Cabo, I still have your envelope with tickets in it. It's going to be important. You might pay for it, and yet I have it here. Yolanda Cabo, I have your card. Whoever knows her, your envelope here.
Thank you. One time.
Huwag kang maghuhugas ng kamay para lamang makaiwas sa sisi. Huwag kang maghuhugas ng kamay kung may inaapi na kaya mong tulungan. Paupuin mo sa buong katatanda, at ang mga may kalong na sanggol. Magpasalamat ka sa nagmamagandang loob. Matuto sa karanasan ng matatanda, pero huwag magpatalim sa kaisipang makaluma. Huwag piliting matulog kung ayaw kang dalawin ng antok. Huwag pag-aksayahan ng panahon ang mga walang utang na loob, ang mga walang utang na loob, ang mga walang utang na loob. Huwag makipagtalo sa bobo at baka ka mapagkamalang bobo. 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 Ganon. Bobo. Huwag bubulong-bulong sa mga panahong kailangang sumigaw. Huwag kang manalig sa bulong-bulungan. Huwag papatay-patay sa ilalim ng pagitin. Huwag kang tutulog-tulog sa pansitan. Umawit ka kung nag-iisa sa banyo. Umawit ka sa piling ng barkada. Umawit ka kung nalulungkot. Umawit ka kung masaya. Ingat lang. Huwag kang aawit ng my way sa video kibat at makakamabaril. Huwag kang magsindi ng sigarilyo sa gasolinahan. Dahan-dahan sa matatarik na landas, dahan-dahan sa malumat na daan. Higit sa lahat, inuulit ko, mabuhay ka. Mabuhay ka, kaibigan. Mabuhay ka.
Ang programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masisirang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga, horror o droga, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
May ganun. Sige po. Money dance pa na to. Sige. Kung magkano afford. Sige. Lumikit ka para sa buloy. Hey, come on. What's happening, Max? Come on, guys. I need that really
Don't cry, cause it's not the end of everything. Nagbibigyan tayo, ah. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you. My friends with you. One more time, come on, now. Farewell to you, my friend. Just for now. We'll see each other again. Don't cry, cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away.